doing?
Music.
Vroom vroom music? Yeah. Are we picking out music for the next vlog?
Music.
Vroom vroom music? Okay. If I pick a song, you gotta show us your dance moves, okay? You ready? Ooh. Ooh. Today we're going to be working on the little 70cc semi-automatic SSR that I picked up as a bundle deal with the bike that I gave to my brother.
Dude, what the heck, man?
Bro,
You got both of them?
I got 2 of them.
And a helmet?
And gloves.
Bro.
And 2 bags of parts.
Score. So what are you doing tomorrow?
It's been sitting out back here by itself. It just stares at me all the time while I work on other bikes. Yeah, we're gonna get that thing out today. I wanna get it running before I do any cosmetic work at all. Get this bike running. Hey, little buddy. What the heck? Well, you've been neglected for too long. Your turn. Whoa. I just got the carb out. Look at this crap. It's literally like, I don't know, caramelized gasoline in there. That junk is nasty. Yuck. Bro, check this freaking bolt out. It's like dog hair and... What is it with all these people in pit bikes and dogs? Dog poop, dog hair. Well, here it is. $325 later, we have an ugly 110 SSR complete with dog poop. Bro, who has dog hair in their freaking crankcase? I don't understand. All right, just power wash the bike. It's hot and I gotta get in the pool. Okay, enough messing around. Back to work. visitor. Check it out.
Are you helping Marley?
She's not so sure. She's like, what is going on? I'm fixing a bike that you can learn how to ride someday. The guy that I bought this bike from was really confused as to why it wouldn't start, and I think I see the problem. Yeah, dude. That junk was in the carburetor, and it smells like death. Honestly, you couldn't pay me any amount of money to drink that. That does not look like gasoline, I can tell you that. I'm on my way to pick up a bunch of crap at the store. I need to get oil, 10W40 motorcycle oil, 4-stroke, a new spark plug, a crankshaft motor oil flush, because that junk was nasty. That was black.